Tell me a little bit more about this Red Baron.
Had it since 2007. It was my wife's car. We got a kid. He's 14 now, and he was a baby. He'd be in the back seat, and then I started with the heads and cam package from HHP. Ended up doing really good with that, and then started drag racing and did really good with that, and then ended up going full on stroker build. And then I realized I needed to take weight out because I didn't have a power adder, I didn't have turbo or supercharger. So it's all motor. It's gone through a whole bunch of iterations, but right now it's a Ray Barton motor, 900 horsepower at the crank. It runs 880s in the quarter at about 152 mile an hour, and it's for sale now. Sadly, I mean, I love the car, but at the same time, you know, it's a lot of work if you've never owned a race car. And right now it's running as good as it's ever done. The motor's probably got about 40 passes on it now, and since it was last rebuilt, and everything's strong. The transmission is just refreshed.
What kind of transmission you running?
It's got a Turbo 400. It's got a reed case on it. It's all lightweight internals, carbon fiber drive shaft, G-force rear end with 9-inch rear end with really strong axles. So it's still independent rear. Mickey Thompson's on the back, Bogart wheels. Everything's done to lighten it. It's probably about 3,050 pounds without me, but I'm like 260. So if we can get a lightweight driver in it, we'll get another 10th out of it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
How much you think of selling this beauty for?
So I wanted 50 for it, and I probably put about over 100 easily in it.
Why are you getting rid of it?
Like I said, we just bought a new house. I'm getting older. My son's not into drag racing. I was hoping that he would be into it and we could continue with it, but it's just kind of one of those things where I'm like, it just costs me money every time I go out, you know what I mean? And it's a lot of work. I crew it myself.
Okay.
And but for somebody who wants a reliable car, reliable race car, I mean, it's going to need all the maintenance and everything. You know, I oil change it like every week. You know, when I'm running
Yeah.
it, you know, and the oil is like $16 a quart, and it takes $20 a gallon race fuel, Q16.
Okay.
And it's just, you know, constant stuff. But if you like tinkering with a car and you want a fast car and it's a standout, it's a 4-door, every track I go to, people come and look at it because they're like, I've never seen one done like this, and you've done it really clean. Because if you look at the interior is really nice. You know, a lot of these cars get gutted and they look like hell on the inside. And this one, I like bringing it to car shows too, park it there, everybody enjoys it, let the kids sit in it. So it's a fun car.
It is a beautiful car.
Thanks.
Good luck with the sale. You hear that, guys? $50K. And it comes with a trailer, correct?
Yeah, trailer with a S5000 winch. It's got a remote control. It would come with, I got a generator for the and battery chargers for the 16-foot batteries. This trailer works really good. You can pull it up on those ramps and you can get in and out of the door with this drop-down fender.
If somebody bought it, would you be opposed to them changing the name of it?
They could call it whatever they want. You know what I mean? They can do it. Listen, you know, but here's my thing. Race cars are not get in and go. So
Right.
What would be like the best is either I go out to like the first time they have it at the track, or before they buy it, they come out and see me run it, and then they can see what I have to do. There's a lot of data logging involved. There's, you know, just maintenance is just a big issue. I don't want to see someone pays $50,000, run it and then break it and then not understand, you know, what's going on. So you really got to know what you're doing, but I'm willing to share that knowledge. And
what compression is the motor?
15-to-1. It's solid lifter, so you adjust the valves, not a lot, but you got to adjust the valves every so often and know what you're doing there. So
It's a beautiful car.
yeah, thanks. And it likes to wheelie, so it's a good thing. I've got the ability to pull timing out of it,
Okay.
and that controls the wheelie.
You want to put the wheelie bars on it?
No. I've had it on the bumper, so I kind of know what it feels like. So if it starts going that direction, I can kind of ease off the gas. Yep, that was a little custom piece. Yeah, like that.
Mission Flyer. Mission Flyer.
I walked in the corner with the body screaming dollar. Never sold it back, but looking like Pablo in the fall. This gon' make him feel away like Tony. Kill